Welcome to my channel Mps Awan. Assalamu alaikum. Good evening. Namaste CHWCK. How are you everyone? Today I am in Mirpur Khas on a Chandni Chowk. I'm gonna show you the street food of Pakistan. So now I'm gonna show you the Bun Kabab in Pakistan. Mirpur Khas, you can see in Chandni Chowk. This is Mps Bun Kabab. Now they're gonna make it. On the moment, time is now is 8:30 or 9 o'clock. You can see how fast they are working.
3, 7, 10, 10 2 बाइक है उसके 12 और 4 नंगे आ रहे हैं। हाँ जी क्या है मेरे साहब 5 कबाब है।
Very busy on the moment. If you want to see more video about Pakistan, England and Sri Lanka, you can subscribe my channel Mps Awan. तो दोस्तों ये है पाकिस्तान के मज़े। This is my loving city Mirpur Khas in Pakistan, and this area name is Chandni Chowk. Mps Awan अभी बताता हूँ। You can see very busy on the moment this gentleman, and also they are very fast to make a burger. This is my local area, Chandni Chowk, satellite town, Mirpur Khas.
भैया 175।
Thank you to watching my channel Mps Awan, and if you want to see more video about England, Sri Lanka and Pakistan, subscribe my channel Mps Awan. Thank you.